All right, we've got the Lemonova large LED open sign, and as you can see, it is definitely, it's big. So this is gonna be very eye-catching. I'll flash to the video of me. I just took a video of me in the dark, just holding it, just so you can get a vibe. And it definitely is eye-catching. And it's, as you can see, it's very big. So this is gonna be a vibe in the window of your business. Very easy to put together. I put it together probably in like less than 5 minutes, probably about 5 minutes. So that's amazing. So basically what you do is you hook, there's these three circles right here. You hook them, one over here, one right here, and then you got this one at the top. You hook this chain, and this is gonna hook to whatever you have to hold this, where it's gonna be showing at your window. So it just holds right in place. So that's amazing. And basically how to turn it on, you click this right here. So this is right attached to it. You click that, it turns it on, and it plugs right into the wall with this plug right here. And the cable is a decent size, but if you need an extension cord, you can also do that, but you're not gonna need an extension cord. This is a long, I mean, just to give you a vibe of how long the cable is. That's it. So it's pretty long, you're gonna be good. So I think it's amazing. Another thing I wanna show also is it comes with these signs. So you got this open sign right here, as well as it says close on this side will return. And you've also got the business hours you can put on. So if you need that, you're good to go there as well. But if not, these are just bonus. The main piece, this is the main piece right here. So highly recommend.